Good morning, YouTube all over the world. Today is Friday. Today is the best day of the work week. Today is payday. Today is week 13 of the $1.52 week challenge, the cash stuffing. First and foremost, I want to give thanks to the Most High for allowing everything possible. I made it to work safely. I'm in good spirits, great health, can't complain at all. Right? Today is the best day of the work week. As I said, today's payday. And the number one rule when it comes to payday is to pay yourself first. You always want to pay yourself first, all right? So that's the first thing I did this morning. This in the morning when I get up on Fridays, because I get paid Fridays. So what I do, my money is from work. My money is direct deposited to my checking account. And then I make all my adjustments, right? The mortgage stays in the checking. My oil bill stays in the checking. My water bill stays in the checking. My phone bill stays in the checking. And what I spend for the week stays in the checking. And then I transfer what I have to transfer, what I pay myself first, I transfer that to my savings. So always want to save first. You always want to pay yourself first. This past weekend was something interesting. One of my friends, his son, passed away. And, rest in peace, to my boy's, son, unfortunate situation. And, this is one of the reasons why I always stress to always save money. Because, every time when I go to a funeral, I always come with an envelope. And that envelope consists of money, and this is money, you're saving sometimes, it's like, I know you're saving for a goal or you just having savings to have savings, but situations like this, I always come with an envelope, with money, sometimes people might not need it, but sometimes people do need it. But I'm a true believer in group economics, that if everybody chips in to help somebody, I think that's something great. And that's one of the, I've always been doing that, but that's one thing that Dave Ramsey, that's one of his rules, always give back. You always want to give back. So it was an unfortunate situation. So, I had to dip into my savings, which is not a problem, because I do that a lot. A lot of times, something happens, or if I go to a baby shower, if I go to a wedding, I always come with an envelope. It's just something that I grew up, my parents, instilled that in us. So it's always good to, whenever you show up somewhere, either a wedding, a baby shower, sweet 16, funeral, you always come with an envelope, right? So today is week 13. We are going to go to let me take this out because we're not going to really need this today. And we are going to take out, I have my pen here. So today is the last Friday of the month too. Today is the last Friday of March. Next week, God willing, is going to be April. And in April, we are going to put $100 in tens, but we'll deal with that next week, right? So today is 3/31/23, and we are going to put $13 in dollar coins, and we are going to put 25 from my Susu, and the 25 is going to be you know what, we do need this. 3, 38, 13 plus 25 equals 38. Obviously, plus 25 is going to need my vacation, $63 in total. 25, 63. My sinking fund. For my vacation, right? So we are in March. So this is my sinking fund for my vacation. We're gonna add another 25. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. This is my sinking fund for my vacation for the month of March. And then this is what's going to replace this. Because we already put this back in the bank. We put this back in the bank in January, and we put this back in the bank in February, and now we're gonna put this back in the bank. We got 20, 40, 60, 70, 5. So another 5. There you go. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. This is gonna replace this. And then next week, starting April, we're going to send this back to the bank, right? So this, we're gonna put this here. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. 63. Right, now we could use this. Okay, so we have $13. How much we have here? 78 for week 12, which was last week. So now we're gonna add 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have $13 that we put here, so we should have $91. And that's exactly what we have, $91. Okay, so we are going to check this. There you go, $91. All right, friends and family, YouTube, this concludes week 13 of the $1.52 week challenge, sinking fund, my dollar stuffing, and my coin dropping. Okay, have a blessed weekend, and God willing, I'll come back with some more content next week. Peace and love.